Hey, let me show you what to do if you are not receiving messages on your Samsung Watch 9. So first of all, I can highly recommend you to start by opening settings on your device, go to the messages, and first of all, just simply check for inbox switching. So sometimes you can get inbox of your watch or of your phone, and this is the reason why you sometimes cannot actually receive those messages, like for example in my case. But also what is very important, that you cannot use modes like for example the theater mode or sleep mode, or for example the do not disturb mode, because often those modes block incoming notifications. And sometimes when you accidentally turn on the airplane mode, so the airplane mode will also block the Wi-Fi, LTE and the Bluetooth, and that will be a reason why you cannot receive something like a messages, for example. So make sure that you are gonna turn off the airplane mode. Next, you will have to just simply grab your phone and open the Galaxy Wearable application, and you will have to go for notifications. Now go for the app notifications and just simply make sure that you are gonna take a look for the messages one, and that you are gonna actually turn the messages notifications, and then scroll down again because you will find phone applications, and make sure that from the phone applications you also got enabled notifications, but not for me. As you can see, I have to go for apps with notifications turned off of the phone. So I have to go here, but I cannot even find them. That's like super strange. For some reason I cannot find here on the list the messages. So looks like I have to open the messages for the first. There we go. And right now I will have to also go for the settings on my smartphone. I have to open notifications, go for the app notifications, and here I have to manually find the messages. But as you can see, the messages are enabled. So now I should actually receive those notifications. And also you have to take a look if sometimes your phone is not disconnected with your watch. So how it actually looks, well, take a look. If I'm gonna turn off the Bluetooth on my phone, after a few moments I will get that specific icon on the top of my watch face that will actually announce me that I don't have stable connection. And this is how the icon looks actually. This is the icon. And this is actually information, and the simple information that we are currently not connected with our phone. And this is the reason why you sometimes also cannot receive those text messages. So just remember to turn them on, select your watch to be reconnected, click done, and that's pretty much it. This is all tips that I can give you, or maybe additionally you can also try to do one additional thing. So we have to go for the settings, and you will have to search for option like the general management, go for the reset, take a look for the reset mobile and network settings, and also we can try to reset them to the default state. And this is honestly all my tips. Let me know if it was helpful.